I thought that as far as the fuel price is concerned, the people of India are struggling. They are struggling with the amount of money they have to pay for their cars. So I thought symbolically, if we go from here to Parliament on cycles, it would have an interesting impact. It would have a media impact as well, and people would see that the opposition feels the pain of the fuel prices.
Opposition leaders led by senior Congress leader and Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi on August 3rd took out a cycle march to the Parliament as a symbolic protest against the rising fuel in the country.
What is your message?
This comes after Gandhi led an opposition meeting amid the ongoing stalemate in Parliament. The march started from Constitution Club soon after the meeting was over. One of the ways to draw the attention of the government to the issue is by cycling to Parliament. People of India are struggling, Rahul Gandhi said at the breakfast meet.
Foundation of unity, and then within that foundation of unity we can have a few discussions and few arguments where we disagree with each other, but I think it is important that now we start to come up with the principles of the foundation of this unity. Finally, Kharge ji mentioned something which is, I don't know if many of you would like to do it or not, and it's completely up to you. I thought that as far as the fuel price is concerned, the people of India are struggling. They are struggling with the amount of money they have to pay for their cars. So I thought symbolically, if we go from here to Parliament on cycles, it would have an interesting impact. It would have a media impact as well, and people would see that the opposition feels the pain of the fuel prices. That's anybody who, of course, many people won't be able to do it. They'll be uncomfortable, but only people who are comfortable riding a cycle, we've arranged the cycle route.
The meeting was convened to plan strategies with regard to the stalemate in Parliament during the ongoing monsoon session over a host of issues including the Pegasus Project, row, farm reform laws and rising fuel prices. Hours after the cycle ride, Rahul Gandhi tweeted in Hindi, "Our face or name is not needed. All that's important is that we are representing people. In every face are crores of faces who are fed up with inflation." He also used the Prime Minister's bold promise of Achhe Din, better days to hit back at him. Ye hain achhe din, are these the good days? Apart from the Congress, NCP, Shiv Sena, RJD, SP, CPIM, CPI, IUML, Revolutionary Socialist Party, RSP, Kerala Congress, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, National Conference, TMC and Loktantrik Janata Dal, LJD, participated in the breakfast meet of opposition floor leaders.